The reason some visuals instantly grab attention is because the structure guides your eyes perfectly. Today, how to create guided frame compositions. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally across the canvas to create directional flow. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient that follows the movement of the layout. Add thin arrows or connecting lines with low opacity to subtly guide attention. Slightly rotate one frame to create energy without disrupting balance. Use position tools to align everything while preserving the visual flow. Add minimal